Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, for the first face pack, mix a tablespoon of gram flour or besan with 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. Besan is a common ingredient in homemade face packs and helps to exfoliate, cleanse and brighten the skin. On the other hand, turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties along with clearing out your skin. This face pack also leaves your face glowing with health. Now add 1 tablespoon of curd and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine everything and also add dash of water until you get a smooth and consistent mixture, and then apply this mixture to your face. Again, curd is one of the most common skincare ingredients used. It's readily available, feels incredibly soothing on the skin and helps to improve skin quality. It also decreases the levels of transepidermal water loss in the treated areas and improve moisture level, brightness and elasticity of the skin. Curd also exfoliates your skin as it contains lactic acid, which may help exfoliate dead skin cells and keep your skin smooth. It also nourishes the skin as it has essential fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals and much more. It has cooling effect on your skin, which can relieve inflammation and acne and keep the skin comfortable. Let this face pack dry completely. Until then, you can enjoy your me time with some drink and some good music. So guys, once it gets dry, wash it off and feel the difference. So guys, for the second face pack, I am going to take 1.5 tablespoon of Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti is known to fight acne and pimples. It also removes excess sebum and oil. It cleanses skin, removing dirt, sweat and impurities, even out skin tone and brightens your complexion. It treats tanning and pigmentation, and that's all what we want in summers, right? It's also effective in treating sunburn, skin rashes and infection. It is an effective cooling agent, and I am not kidding guys, sometimes I use it on my eyelids as well. It gives you that instant cooling effect on your eyelids when your eyes are burning due to this harsh sun rays. So if you guys however try this on your eyelids, make sure to be careful while washing it. So guys, now in this face pack I am going to add lemon juice. As you all know, lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. It also has astringent qualities due to the high pH level. Lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation, and it's antifungal also. It is best to combat age spots. The citric acid and vitamin C in it make it a perfect natural bleaching agent. So now coming to the last ingredient I'm going to add in this face pack is rose water. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years. So it's no surprise, right? It can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness also. So guys, once it gets dry, wash it off and feel the difference. So guys, coming to the third face pack I am going to share in this video is take 1 tablespoon of besan. Besan helps to treat acne. The zinc in it can fight infections that causes acne. It also removes tan, exfoliates dead skin, removes fine facial hair and can offer instant glowing skin. So what's better than this? Now take a tablespoon of tomato juice. It helps to minimize tan and lighten the skin pores. It will reduce blackheads and reduces pimples on the skin and reduces the black skin cells while increasing white skin cells. And yes, tomatoes are good for acne and good for balancing your skin. It may help protect skin against cancer, reduce risk of sunburn, may promote wound healing, stimulate collagen production, help to remove dead skin cells, and have anti-aging properties and fight cellular damage. Now adding a pinch of haldi in this, and turmeric helps you to reduce acne and any resulting scars, and the inflammatory qualities can target your pores and calm the skin. This combination of uses may help your face clear up from acne breakouts. Guys, add rose water as desired, and if you want to add some normal water also, you can add it and make it a paste, and then apply this mixture on your face and wash it off once it dries.